Hello guys, good morning. Now it's 8:23. I'm done with my breakfast. All set for office. The reason I delayed, it was very much intentional. I wanted to sleep properly, and in fact, today I'll have to be in office till 5 o'clock. Given that we do have a meeting from 4:30 to 5. So what I thought, anyways, I'm not taking any of the breaks like lunch break, chai sutta break, anything as such. So I thought, why don't I sleep a little more and then start for office a little late, so that I reach by 9 or 9:30, at least by 9. So it's okay. So it was very much intentional. So now I'm starting for office finally. Chalo, see you guys in the office. I am pretty much sure most of the people won't come to office today. But nevertheless, if there is a meeting, I'll have to be there. So I came till this particular Indian Oil to drop my friend. He is crossing the path there. That's my friend, my roommate. So he stopped. He works in L&T. So I thought, let me go ahead and drop him till this particular point, and then I am going back to my office today from here. I really don't want to go to office very early, given that I have to start very late from office today. We have a number of logos, but not our logo. So that's the same building, Auro Reality, where I usually go for office. That's where my office is situated. I'm so sorry. चलो ठीक है. It was a good walk for me as well. I'm pretty much sure even by this time no one will be here in office. Good part is I slept very well today. Very, very, very well. I think they are charged. I like this vehicle, yeah. It's very good in terms of electric. I have the same vehicle, but it's a diesel one, not electric. चलो अभी ऑफिस चलते हैं यार. मैं कॉल करके इन्फॉर्म भी कर देता हूँ घर पे कि मैं ऑफिस पहुँच गया. एंड यस, टुडे वी हैड पूरी in the breakfast. I'll try to attach the video clip after this section. There is a number of Karen's EV here. I don't know the exact pricing. Probably it must be affordable. That's why people are opting for it. Oh, सूरज देवता आज तो जला ही देंगे. I think by this time I would have walked at least 3 kilometers. ये मेरा ऑफिस है. Can you see AWFIS? It is there in the same building. Finally, I've reached my office now. It's 9:02. They came to office last week. This head of DPT, he is head of IT. Marius and Wolfgang. Now I'm searching for the remote, yaar, AC remote. I don't know where they have kept it. It is a basic sense to keep the remote here. I don't know what they are thinking of. Mad. Dude, where I need to search for it? I don't know. Finally, I searched for it and kept it in the right place. Both the ACs are on now. Here as well. Till 10, no one will be here, or maybe by 10:30. Nevertheless, I'll start my work. All set for beginning the work now. or maybe starting the work now. Guys, it's 9:16. I'm so sorry. I've started my work and I have got this milk for me, which I'll have it after some time. It's very hot now. चलो अब शुरू करते हैं काम. Now it's around 5:30 and I'm starting from office. यार मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि I have started the video. चलो हो गया काम ख़त्म. Because of a meeting we were there. That meeting was of no use, but unfortunately had to be there. अब घर पहुँचते पहुँचते 6 बज जाएगा. चल कोई नहीं. Hello guys, now it's almost 7 o'clock. Almost 7 यार, ये तो मैं ऑब्जर्व भी नहीं किया था. अब मैं क्या करूँ? So I reached almost at around 6 today, no? That is the reason I could not figure out the time now. तो घर पहुँचा basically at 6. I reached PG, had my dal and a bit of curry, no rice. I just need to go downstairs to wash these plates. Let me keep it back here. Get some water, pack all of these things inside, and then start for evening walk. Till now I have covered almost 8 kilometers. No, not 8 kilometers, just 6 kilometers. So a long way to go. Let's see how it goes. And all my roommate as well, where he is. ठीक है चलो. अब तो मैं गाना एंजॉय कर रहा था, पुराने गाने. ये सुन के आपको शायद अजीब लगे, मैं इस टाइप के गाने भी सुनता हूँ. चलो नेवरदलेस मैं लॉक करता हूँ, इसको रखा जाए, लैपटॉप बंद. वीकेंड स्टार्ट्स, अब चलना शुरू. आज वैसे भी राइस होगा रात में. देयर विल बी फ्राइड राइस और समथिंग सिमिलर. लेट्स सी. चलिए अब रखते हैं. लेट मी गो डाउन एंड वॉश माय यूटेंसिल्स. My PG. This is how the market looks like. कैसे दे रहे भैया?
100 का 4 है.
कितना?
100 का 4.
100 का 4.
5 आएगा.
They are quoting a lot, given that in what we say, Mehendipatnam it was just 5. कैसे दे रहे भैया?
140 किलो.
140 किलो. कितना में किलो में कितना उठता है ये वाला?
बहुत आता है. तो
जितना होना नहीं, कितना ऐसे उठता कितना है? कितना पीस? हाँ,
साइज छोटा ना बड़ा होना वो.
इसमें से अगर लूँ तो कितना उठते रहेगा? अच्छा 7-8 उठ. ठीक है. I somehow don't like these apples. They are getting soybean like this. चलो. Looks very small. कैसे दे रहे हैं भैया?
100 के 4, 120 के 3.
ये
120 का 3.
120 का 3. He has kept the offer. Let me see. ये कैसे दे रहे हैं भैया?
100 का 4, 100 का 5, 100 का 3.
100 का 4, ये
6
5
आता, 5 आता, 4 आता.
ठीक है. I think it is always better if you go to Mehendipatnam and get it. There it is very cheaper, way cheaper than this. It is way more expensive here. These will be ripen in next few days. Doesn't make sense. Let me see. Banana, no, not good. Either it is entirely ripen or else it is pura kacha, entirely raw. ड्रैगन फ्रूट, so anyways I don't like it. Here as well, nothing special. This looks okay. एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट बता रहा हूँ. लास्ट वीक if you remember, I recorded one video with respect to getting some pomegranates from Mehendipatnam. Till date, I did not get a chance to touch any of, even a single one. I have 5 of them. यही प्रॉब्लम होता है यार, बाहर से खाओ, कुछ ले आओ, उसके बाद वो वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. नाउ इट इज़ अ प्रेशर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मी टू फिनिश इट अप. देखता हूँ, आफ्टर वॉकिंग आई विल प्रोबेबली गो बैक होम एंड देन हैव एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम. फिर कल ये चलाऊँगा और क्या, कल ख़त्म करता हूँ पूरा. कैसे दे रहे भैया?
70 है.
70. हाँ, so he quoted 60. I think it's better if I get it done in Bhubaneswar, given that I have already planned that next month, in few days I'll be starting for Bhubaneswar, so it's okay. काफ़ी 3 मिनट हो गए, चलो अब मैं रखता हूँ. भैया कैसे कैसे प्राइस आप बता सकते हैं?
ये 100 है,
ये
100 है.
ठीक है,
ये चिकन फ्राई 120 है.
ठीक है.
लीवर है 80 रुपीस.
अच्छा, अंडा
अंडा एक पीस 40 रुपये.
40 रुपये. इसमें 100 में क्या कितना क्वांटिटी रहता है?
ये कवर है, इस कवर में देता है कितना होता है.
अच्छा, इतना मिलता है. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. और कितने बजे तक खुला रहते हैं आप?
12 बजे तक.
12 बजे तक. ठीक है, ठीक है भैया. I'm sweating like a pig now, unfortunately, because of not having a fan in the dining area. Now I'm going to my room, will rest for a while and then head for the next round of work. हो गया भाई, बहुत गर्मी है, सीरियसली देखो पसीना. Hello guys, now it's 9:29. I am back from work and finally I could cover 12 kilometers in total in the entire day. I'm very happy with the overall outcome. Now I'm sweating like a pig, as I said at the time of returning from dinner. So now I'll first edit this video and then take bath and finally sleep. That's the plan. See you guys in the next one. और बाय बाय. बाय बाय कैसे दिखाऊँ यार, दिखता भी तो नहीं है ना. बाय बाय.